Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for a way to keep your barbecue gatherings, special events, and parties organized, this acacia wood utensil holder by ALELION is perfect for you. It's not only beautiful but also super practical. I love the smooth finish and the unique pattern from the acacia wood. It has a beautiful rustic farmhouse style. It's great for organizing flatware, dishes, and cups. Plus, it comes with a built in handle so you can easily transport it to and from your gatherings. This utensil holder has saved me so much space and made my gatherings look even more organized. It would make an amazing gift for your friend who always hosts. I highly recommend it. It's super functional, allowing you to be more organized at your gatherings, high quality, and looks great too. And with that being said, that's just my point of view.